and I'm going to share my screen again here to show something else in this side at this time. If you have here your revenue, which I'm going to put it in green, and your revenue as you increase your number of patients also increases. And then if you have your expenses, right, which expenses at some point, because you have fixed and variable expenses, your fixed expenses will remain relatively the same. The theory here says that, okay, what is this? This is your break-even point. You started, sorry, let me use a different color. Your break-even point is here. You started with higher expenses than you were bringing income because you were starting. At some point, as you were expanding, your income becomes more, your expenses, some of them remain the same. You have, of course, your variable expenses that also increase, and in some capacity, you end up having a profit margin here. Now, maybe my red line is not the best here drawn because I didn't factor enough for the variable expenses that go up as you increase your business.
Right.
But the interesting thing is that right now, and according to the KPI studies of PPSA-PTA, profit margins are hovering around 8 to 10% at the most. Most practices are around 8% profit margin. And 8% profit margin is a very dangerous point for someone to be at. You know why? Because the moment you receive from an insurance carrier, as many providers here in New York received from a large insurance carrier, I cannot, for obvious reasons, I cannot share the name of the insurance carrier, but private practitioners received a letter that said, hey, yeah, we know you were making $85, $90 effective June 1st. We're reducing this down to $50 to $55 per session, flat fee, depending on what the sub plan is.